Oh, hey. Trying to scurry to Naranchi to see if I can get a couple of Asian products. Soy sauce, but particularly oyster sauce. They have a brand that I like. A few other stores have them as well, but just like to go there and get everything. But yeah, I have a very strong yen for Asian, some hot Thai Asian food. And I have a wonderful recipe by Ruth Reichl. I don't know if anyone knows or remembers who she is. Well, she's still alive, I shouldn't say that. But it's ground pork and green beans. It doesn't take a lot of highly difficult to find ingredients, so I can make that here and satisfy that. Anyway, do have to go to the bank first. One more major thing for me is that exactly 3 months from today, September 2nd, I have to leave for 90 days. So I have a couple of alternatives, a couple really interesting things for the 90 days that have come up. So I'll keep you posted on that. New surroundings, new life, but it's only for 90 days I'll be back here. Anyway, I'll let you know if I make it to Naranchi. They like to close at either 5 or 5:30, and I do have to go to the bank first. Oh, good. Naranchi's opened. I thought maybe she closed at 5. So, yeah, it's just a few minutes after. They service a lot of restaurants, so they tend to open early and close early. As completely unexpected, she's out of oyster sauce, but we'll have it tomorrow, so I'll just come back. Funny little story. I buy Campari all the time. It's 1,800. It's not the biggest bottle, sadly. But I buy it because I like to have a Campari spritz at home. And so I go into Big Market, another one, it's on the main boulevard. It's the same size. I usually go to a smaller one over by me. And the price is $1,800. Well, all of a sudden it's $20.49 there. I didn't take it. Those are the kinds of things that I don't understand. It's marked, and she used the computer. This wasn't just a verbal exchange. So maybe it went up. So if it went up, no problem. But just a random 249 lek. So anyway, beware, 'tis Albania. Well, so we are going to finish a couple of the tasks that I started day before yesterday. See the prices of the Campari, very important things here. And and the second thing was get the oyster sauce and the soy sauce from Naranchi, since she was out of it the other day. And my life is kind of settled down, not as much discovery, in fact, hardly any for a while. And onto a manicure pedicure, which is right here. It's probably not 200 meters from where I live. So I'll see you after that. Linda's, her new studio. It's right here now. Just got the door opened. Everybody's probably ready. It's always fun to go there, have a manicure, pedicure, relax, hang out. Anyway, so let's go check out Naranchi and see if they have those things, the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. All right, a lot of people out. Okay, well, no oyster sauce. And they're out in Tirana as well, so I will come back next week and maybe substitute fish sauce for oyster sauce. Maybe not be as rich, but it'll be very similar. Anyway, if only I could follow my own advice. I saw this product last week and I didn't buy it. And I came back the day before yesterday. They were out of it. And then I came back today and now it's nowhere to be found in the country. And I've said this and I preach this. If you see it, if you want something, you see it, you purchase it, or cast your fate, because it's going to be gone and unknown when it will reappear. So, curiously enough, here's the Campari in the big market around the corner from where I live in the neighborhood. And as you can see clearly, it's still at 1800. So that's one thing to remember if you're living in a place. I know I've said this one time already, but if you're living in a place other than vacation, shop off of the main street is my personal experience and things to remember. All right, we're trying to get down to find the bus to Oricum. So over the weekend, can take a day trip. Pretty cool. I got some good information about Oricum.